Namaskar, this is Sweetie. Hope you are all doing well. Today's video is all about my guest room makeover by leaving the old and accepting the new one. Navratri and Diwali is almost knocking our door, and I think this is the best time to bring any new furniture or decorative items at home. किसी ज़रूरतमंद को हमने ये रॉड आयरन वाला बेड दे दिए. Though it was good in condition, but it was not box bed, as we need a box bed which should be made by shagwan wood or shegun lakdi. As you can see that my guest room became almost empty and it was cleaned. On the very next morning, the wooden box bed arrived in our home. We have customized this box bed which is made by shagwan wood. It is also known as Shegun Kath in Kolkata and West Bengal. And this is not online product. The box bed was installed step by step by the delivery boy. Then the hydraulic engineer came to our home as he installed the system and explained how to access it. As you can see that this box bed was made with hydraulic system and partly manual system, and this system is really very helpful as we the women can access it without the help of anyone else. Next come to this wooden side table, one for my guest room and another one for my master bedroom. And third bedroom में side table की needs नहीं थी तो हमने और नहीं बनवाए. The design of this bed and table is very beautiful, which complements the design of our wooden bed. Next come to this ceiling section. We have installed this beautiful design of ceiling fan cornice which is made of plaster of Paris, and then we have installed this beautiful pendant lights because I need a spotlight on the headboard of the bed and it's fulfilling my purpose pretty much. Ceiling decoration की काम हो चुका है. Now come to the mattress of this bed which is quite good in quality and the thickness of this mattress is about 5 inch. Next, come to this side part of this bed which have an opening option with a key lock system to access your pillows, blankets and other necessary bedding items. Depth is also very good and we can keep our daily usage items like handbags, school bags, helmets etc. in this section. हमें इन सब functions की requirement होने के कारण ये bed customize करवा कर बनवाए हैं. And ये opening option with key lock system bed के दोनों side में दिया गया है. Now let's start the decoration of this guest bedroom. This was a poster photo of Lord Buddha, size is 12 by 18 inch. Later I have framed it and used it as a wall decor. This was a poster photo of same size 12 by 18 inch. Again I have framed this mermaid poster photo as well. Both photos are very beautiful and very vibrant in color, and I think that my guest room is the best place to hang them. As I am from Kolkata, so this guest room must have a touch of Kolkata like YOLO taxi, Ferry Ghat, Babu Ghat and ye Ganga river, Howrah bridge etc. Next come to this beautiful decorative items which is made by shal wood, which is also known as a shal kath in Kolkata and West Bengal. This is a wooden head of a deer and the polishing quality is very beautiful. I don't know camera kitna capture kar pa raha hai, but this enhanced the entire look of my guest bedroom. This is not an online product. I have purchased this from Odisha. It doesn't matter that how big or small your space is, but it really matters that how much love you give to your spaces to make it functional and beautiful. So in that case, minimalism and simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. I have hanged all the frames one by one and it looks very aesthetic all together. Next, I have hanged an wooden panel on the wall and then hanged a electric lantern artificially by the help of this wall bracket. Oh my god, it's looked beautiful. Next, I would like to add a bed runner which should be contrast in color of this bed sheet, and the blue one can be perfect, so I choose blue. This is my dupatta and I am going to use it as bed runner. Those who have not seen my wardrobe organization video, they can watch this as this video got very good response from viewers. Placing a floor runner that will protect our bed from dust and feet must be wiped before getting into the bed. Any of your corner is just incomplete without fresh greens. Life plants may add an aesthetic look any of your corners. So that's why I'm placing the money plant in the southeast corner of this गेस्ट बेडरूम. एंट्री करते ही आपको फ्रेश ग्रीन्स देखने को मिल जाएगी. साथ में यहाँ पर धूप और हवा दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं. Now come to this floor lamp, and I have decorated this lamp with some artificial greens and decor piece of a शंख। बहुत बार अनकॉन्शियस माइंड में हम ठंडा या गर्म कुछ रख देते हैं जिसके वजह से वुडन सरफेस के ऊपर दाग पड़ जाता है। So that we have placed a 6 mm transparent glass on the top of the table, which helps to prevent any stains on the wooden surfaces. Now I am placing back the glass top. There are total 2 sections of this table. एक कबर्ड सेक्शन दिया गया है और दूसरा ड्रॉयर। डेकोरेशन की अगर बात किया जाए तो I have decorated this section in a very minimalist way, placing a beautiful vibrant blue color ceramic pot जिसके ऊपर मैं एक artificial green ऐड कर रही हूँ। And beside that, I am going to place this adorable sleeping Buddha which enhance the entire look of this table as well as this room. And I think this guest room would be the best place to keep this cute one. Lastly, I would like to introduce with Boat Stone 1500 50-watt Bluetooth speaker. The speaker with its 40-watt audio output delivers clear and powerful sound. गेस्ट बेडरूम में ऐसे एक म्यूजिक सिस्टम भी ऐड किया जा सकता है जो कि वायरलेस हो और फ़ोन एंड लैपटॉप के साथ इजीली कनेक्ट किया जा सके।